The semiconductor market is the foundation for everything what we do in big data analytics, AI, every type of analytics. And you need this performance to have improvements, whether it's in healthcare, whether it's in manufacturing, whether it's on your mobile phone, and even to improve and speed up the digital transformation at your organization or to have supercomputers running. And the foundation for this are the semiconductors. And today I have the pleasure of talking to Sarah Sexton. You're the communication director at Intel Ireland. If you look to, let's say, the semiconductor market, there's a lot of demand. You need to deliver faster, better processors. What kind of innovation do you do at Intel right now?
Well, Ronald, you're very welcome to Intel Ireland. It's really exciting to have you here and to be able to show you our newest fab, Fab 34. So really, all of what this is about is our new strategy, IDM 2.0. So IDM is integrated device manufacture. It's part of Intel's heritage. Why we exist as a company is that we can design, make, package, and deliver our products to our customers in this vertical integrated stack. And so what we've done is we have recommitted to this principle of IDM, but in the latest iteration of it, IDM 2.0. So this will mean that we will continue to make these products for our own customers, but that we will also be beginning to move into the foundry services where we'll be able to take our innovations in terms of process technology and offer those to customers from Intel fabs also.
So opening up basically your whole knowledge, your whole factories for other providers as well. What does that mean for the innovations that you do in different processes that you run? Because EDM means that you develop and manufacture at different type of locations. Can you explain something about that and what it means for your clients?
Well, I think the first thing that it means is that we are redoubling our commitment to how we innovate and to innovating around process technology. And what that means for us is in the short term, we're going to do 5 process technologies in 4 years. So we're going to deliver 5 very innovative versions of our process technology in that short amount of time. Right now, for Intel Ireland, it means that we're going to be introducing Intel 4 into our latest fab. Intel 4 is the first process technology for Intel that will avail of EUV lithography. And EUV lithography is an absolute game changer in terms of semiconductor manufacturing. It will mean that we can make products in a very different way than we have done before. And we're going to do that for the first time here in Ireland and the first time here in Europe in Fab 34. Going forward, as we move into the next process technologies, Intel 3 and Intel 20A, there are going to be a number of other innovations. For instance, in Intel 20A, we will introduce the first kind of transistor innovation in more than 10 years called a ribbon FET, which is where we will put a gate all around a transistor. And what that means for you and me is it's a better performing transistor so that our products will be more efficient. They will be, more densely packed with transistors, which ultimately means a better performing product for the customers. And that's one of the innovations that will come with Intel 20A.
Yeah, so as an end user, whether we B2B or B2C, we really want to perform more algorithms, more, let's say, workload, more AI in everything, whether device we're talking about, whether it's an IoT device, whether it's your mobile phone. You work a lot with packaging. Can you explain how packaging impacts the performance and the size that we can put the processors in, and what kind of innovations you're doing in that?
So by being an integrated device manufacturer, we have the ability to innovate around our process, but we can also innovate in terms of the packaging that's available for how we deliver the process innovation. So for instance, with 4th generation Xeon, we're using a tile approach. So basically we're taking lots of tiny tiles that each serve their own function and fusing them together onto a single chip. So that gives us the kind of modularity where we can bring together different components in an efficient package that's in terms of how the customer can use it inside of their devices is very different to where we've been before. And we're looking at a lot of different ways to do that as we go forward by being able to take modular approach to these tiny tiles and bring them together with packaging innovation.
And it means in the end for the B2B user, the B2C user, smaller packaging, better performance and all different kind of applications that you need.
Yeah, it means that we can bring that compute power that people want more and more of into a lot of different form factors in a very small packaging way so that people can avail of, AI at the edge or high performance computing in remote locations or just more data, the ability to manage more data. It's it's a combination of all of the aspects that are within this integrated stack. Packaging being one, process innovation being one, software design being another, and then all brought together to how we can deliver that for our customer, and now how we can open that up to allow other people to utilize what we've come to learn for more than 50 years.
So if you are using any device, it's using AI, it's AI everywhere, and it's performing better to deliver you a great customer experience. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.